Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the Adobe Reader in Windows 11. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, you have to write the Adobe Reader here. So we are going to write the Adobe Reader. And now what we need to do, we have to press the enter. So as you can see, the Adobe Reader website is here. Now simply what you have to do, you have to click on this. And now you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. It's up to your internet speed. So as you can see, the app is here. Now if you want to read the features of this app, you can also do that. You just have to drag down. And after that, as you can see, the all things are provided here: view, store and share PDF, fill and sign, give and get feedback, work from anywhere. You can use these all options as well. If you want to see the more details, you can also do that. You just have to scroll down after that. So what we need to do, we have to download this. Then simply you have to click on the download button, and after that you have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, after the completion of initializing, the download process is completed. Now you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to wait. So as you can see, the installation process is started. Now we have to wait for a few seconds until it installs. And after the completion of installation process, you will be able to open any kind of PDF in this software, and you will be able to edit that PDF, and or you will be able to do all the things in the PDF viewer. If you want to comment the PDF, if you want to highlight, if you want to cut or make any changes in PDF file, you can also do that with the help of this software, with the help of this app. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download and install this app on your PC. It's very easy. You just have to follow my steps. Simply you have to open the Google Chrome, and after that you have to write the app name, and after that you have to open the site, and you have to click on the download button, and the installation process will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.